FLIR Tools version 5 offers a number of new features that enhance its functionality and improve productivity for the thermographer. It is now possible to apply local object parameters to measurement tools. Reports can be saved in process and recalled at a later time. Text annotation templates are now accessible while editing an image. Sequence playback speed can be adjusted. You can choose to show only certain temperature values for areas and lines. Low-resolution image processing is much improved. And images from Ultramax cameras can be enhanced. Most modern cameras have the ability to set local object parameters for specific measurement tools. This can help in situations where you have a variety of different emissivities across the image. If this type of image is opened in FLIR Tools, it will retain the settings and show this indicator next to the tool that was modified. You can always apply local parameters to any measurement tool in FLIR Tools, regardless of the camera type or how it was saved. Simply right-click on the tool and choose Local Parameters. This will override the main object parameter values with the local settings. Areas and lines have the same local parameter options. In addition, you have an option to configure what values are shown. For example, you could choose to show only the max temperature and either enable or disable the hot and cold markers. FLIR Tools can create reports from a number of different templates. Previous versions would not allow you to save the report in process. The only option was to export to PDF format. FLIR Tools 5 adds the ability to save a report into one of your library folders. This gives you the ability to open the report at a later time, add text and make other changes, and then save those changes. You can also share an editable version of your report with another FLIR Tools user. In this case, I'll copy the report file to a USB drive and then bring it over to a different PC. As long as the other user has FLIR Tools installed, they can open the report and make changes as needed. You can even make changes to the thermal images since they are embedded in the report. All changes can be saved, and you can export to PDF or print a hard copy. Certain cameras have the ability to select from a predefined list of text annotations when saving or editing an image. The text annotation files can be imported or created in the Templates section in FLIR Tools. These files can be sent to a compatible camera for use in the field, but they are now accessible from the FLIR Tools library as you are editing the image on the PC. In the text annotations section, you can choose to import from template and then pick the desired template. The same labels and values that you would have in the camera are available here, regardless of the camera type that the image came from. This feature can help with report consistency and can reduce the overall reporting time by limiting the amount of typing required by the thermographer. When you save the image and send it to the report, all of the text fields will populate the report automatically. Previous versions of FLIR Tools would only play sequences in real time. Now you have the ability to speed up the recording up to 60 times the original speed. You can also slow down the sequence to play it at a fraction of the original speed. And you can choose to play it in reverse. The processing and display of low-resolution images has been greatly improved. This is an E4 image viewed using FLIR Tools 4.1. Notice how it is rather pixelated and somewhat difficult to interpret. This is the same image using FLIR Tools 5. The edges are much smoother and clearer, making it easier to identify the object in question. FLIR Tools uses a unique image processing algorithm to enhance your Ultramax 640 by 480 MSX image into a 1.2 megapixel image. The higher resolution results in an image that is clearer and sharper than the original. FLIR Tools 5 is a free download and compatible with a wide variety of FLIR cameras. New and current users can download the latest version from FLIR.com/tools. If a previous version is already installed, you can click Help, Check for Updates to download the latest version. Please visit our Support Center website at support.flir.com for questions, downloads, datasheets, and other technical resources.